The AI revolution is here, and it's in your wallet. Did you know that by 2025, nearly 90% of credit card transactions will be touched by AI in some way? That's right, folks. Artificial intelligence isn't just some futuristic fantasy. It's already changing the way we use credit cards. From catching fraudsters faster than ever to customizing rewards, AI is making credit cards smarter, safer, and way more personalized. Think about it. We trust these little pieces of plastic with our hard-earned cash. But the world of finance is getting more complex every day. That's where AI steps in, like a digital bodyguard for your wallet. This isn't some boring tech talk, people. We're talking about the future of your money here. So buckle up, because we're about to break down how AI is revolutionizing the credit card game. And trust me, you're gonna want to hear this. AI, the new superhero protecting your plastic. Remember the days when losing your credit card felt like the end of the world? You'd be frantically calling the bank, sweating bullets, hoping no one went on a shopping spree with your card. Well, AI is making those panic attacks a thing of the past. AI is like having a super smart detective working around the clock to protect your card. It analyzes millions of transactions in real time, looking for any fishy business. Let's say someone steals your card number and tries to buy a lifetime supply of sardines. That's just weird. AI will flag that transaction instantly, but it's not just about catching the bad guys after the fact. AI is getting smarter at preventing fraud before it even happens. It's like having a precognitive crime stopper in your wallet. No more cookie-cutter cards. AI knows what you want. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all credit cards. AI is changing the game by personalizing your credit card experience. Imagine getting rewards perfectly tailored to your spending habits. Love traveling? AI can hook you up with bonus miles and travel perks. Foodie? Get ready for some delicious cashback on dining. AI analyzes your spending patterns to understand your needs and preferences. It's like having a personal shopper for your finances. No more sifting through irrelevant offers. AI delivers the deals and rewards that actually matter to you. And hey, who doesn't love feeling special? AI-powered personalization makes you feel like a VIP customer instead of just another number. Is that really you spending $10,000 on rubber chickens? AI fraud detection. Let's be real, sometimes even we make questionable purchases. But AI can tell the difference between your guilty pleasures and actual fraudulent activity. It uses machine learning to create a unique profile of your spending habits. So, when you splurge on that giant inflatable T-Rex costume, AI knows it's just you being you. But if someone tries to use your card to buy a suspicious amount of rubber chickens, AI will know something's up. It'll flag the transaction and might even send you an alert saying, "Hey, is this really you buying all these chickens?" AI is like that friend who knows you so well they can spot a fake from a mile away. It's the ultimate wingman in the fight against fraud. Section 5. From credit score to AI score. The future of lending decisions. Traditional credit scores can be kind of unfair, like trying to judge a book by its cover. But AI is changing the game by looking beyond the surface. AI-powered credit scoring takes into account a wider range of factors, like your spending habits, income, and even your social media presence. Don't worry, they're not reading your DMs yet. This means a fairer chance for everyone to access credit. AI can help lenders make more informed decisions, giving opportunities to those who might have been overlooked by traditional methods. It's like leveling the playing field and giving everyone a fair shot. Because in the world of finance, everyone deserves a chance to shine. Your card. Your way, how AI powers customization. Remember when you could only choose from a handful of credit card designs? Well, AI is about to make your inner child very happy. Get ready for a world where you can customize everything from your card's design to its features. Want a credit card with a picture of your pet wearing a tiny hat? AI says, why not? Want to set spending limits for different categories? AI's got your back. It's all about putting you in the driver's seat and giving you the power to create the perfect card for your unique needs. It's like having a credit card that's as individual as your fingerprint. Because let's face it, your finances should reflect your personality, not some boring corporate template. The human touch still matters. AI and customer service. Now some of you might be thinking, hold on, is AI going to replace all the customer service reps? And the answer is, not so fast. AI is definitely changing the customer service game, But it's not about replacing humans, it's about making their lives easier. Imagine AI-powered chatbots available 24/7 to answer your burning credit card questions. No more waiting on hold for hours listening to elevator music. AI can handle the simple stuff, freeing up human reps to deal with more complex issues that require a personal touch. It's like having a team of super-efficient assistants working around the clock to make your life easier. Now that's customer service done right. The future of credit cards. A glimpse into the AI-powered world. So, what does the future hold for credit cards in this brave new world of AI? Well, hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get really interesting. We're talking about a future where your credit card becomes your ultimate financial companion. Imagine a world where your credit card can predict your spending patterns and alert you to potential overspending, automatically negotiate better deals and discounts on your behalf, help you manage your subscriptions and cancel unwanted ones, even donate your spare change to your favorite charity. The possibilities are truly limitless. AI is poised to transform credit cards from simple payment tools into powerful financial assistants that empower us to make smarter decisions and live better lives. Buckle up. The AI credit card revolution is just getting started. The AI revolution is here, and it's coming for your wallet. In a good way. From enhanced security to personalized experiences, AI is changing the credit card game for the better. So, the next time you whip out your credit card, take a moment to appreciate the incredible technology working behind the scenes. Because AI isn't just some futuristic fantasy. It's already here, making our financial lives easier, safer, and a whole lot more exciting. And as AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and personalized credit card experiences in the years to come. The future of finance is here, and it's powered by AI.